Design is the technique that teach you think of million ways of solutions. It's not the one way, no way back. I think in Hong Kong, we are facing a problem that sometimes you don't know where to go. And sometimes we only know there should be one way to go. Indeed, there should be infinite way to go. Everybody knows that open mind is a basic criteria for creativity thinking. If you have an open mind, you have more variety design you can go, and you have more ideas to be generated. And to develop an open mind skill, I think the most important thing is you have to keep a young mind, what we call a kid out. You have to be curious to everything. While you go to other places, you see some interesting things, you have your curiosities to drive you to know more about it. Once I got different projects or different challenge, the matrix will change. For example, some project you need more social concern, some project you need more commercial concern. So I think the matrix will really change, depends on which project I'm handling. But some basic requirement is very fundamental and important is the creativity, communication skill. And in my company, I really treasure people with good team, is a good team player and with good communication skill. Because we have quite a lot of projects, it's a group project. So I prefer a designer that can be a very good team player and can contribute more on the group projects. Because you have to listen to people's questions, to analyze it, and if it's right, if it's true, then you have to admit it, and you have to accept it. So more or less, it will build up your open mind frame. I think the design trend has become fused together. At that moment when I was studying in polytechnics, we have streams like graphics design, products, industrial, interior, fashions. But now you can see the boundaries become very diffuse, very dissolved. And also it will come together as a whole word is called design or experience design. Is the future trend. Whatever means you work in, whatever field you're working on, you are working on with people's feeling, people's experience. So the future trend is the way of design is just the way, the angle that you approach the problem. So no matter what's the background training you have, is the way that you approach the problem. The end outcome should be going back to people's feeling. So make them have special feelings on the design. That is the most important thing.